Okay. Hi everyone. So it's my vlog.
Hi vlog.
Wait, no, get in it. Come on.
Cause I'm not just a pretty girl.
This is Cassidy.
Hola. I
That's
have rabies on my face because my boyfriend bit me.
that's Sydney. I'm gonna be doing a week in my life this week because it's like one of the final weeks of school and there's so many like events and all that to do this week. So I'm gonna video and do that. And right now we're just in the library, not doing much. We're just chilling in the library.
This is the boyfriend who bit me. No.
Like, yeah.
When I don't have
He's
My rabies filled.
Really? I feel like I'm pretty good at first.
so yeah. We had an award show this morning, so that's why we all look super formal right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now.
We're just ignoring you.
Yeah, she doesn't want to be in it, so I won't show her face, but like it's my friend Lindsay and I love her, even though she hates me. Yeah, so I have to go to class soon, but I really am like trying to avoid that, so we'll see if I can finesse my way out of it. So
I know, babe.
bye now. Hi everyone, so right now the senior class, we're having like a lunch brunch, like backyard type. Yeah, go for it. We're having like a lunch like backyard thing. We're like down by the water, we have pizza and stuff like that.
Look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma beat downtown, man.
Hi everyone, so it's Thursday and we're not doing anything. Lindsay's showing me her riding pictures. We have like our school carnival after this. Look at her face while she rides.
I love that. This one.
Ooh, that's a good one. Oh my god. But yeah, so we have our school carnival or whatever. Yeah, so I have no more classes for the rest of the day. It's currently 10:30 in the morning and yeah, I'm done. Like, why am I in school? I don't know. Like, such a waste of my time. But that's all for now. Till later. Hey, hi everyone. So right now I'm going to my school carnival. Yeah, so there are teachers right there and they're about to judge me really hard for like what I'm wearing. Hi Goose, wanna be in the vlog? Hi.
I'm making a vlog.
Hi. Okay, so right now we're eating our barbecue food. This is Bora. That's Hannah. I'm not gonna show Lindsay because she doesn't want to be in it because she's a brat. And so right now we're just eating. There's music and there's like, I have 8 subscribers, thank you very much. We have some inflatable stuff. We have a dunk tank over there. It's lit. So today it's Saturday, June 2nd, and I'm going to one of my friend's grad parties right now. It's an all-white party, so I'm wearing like a scrunchie, this top, and then like these shorts. You can't really see, but I'm wearing these shorts, and then I'm gonna wear my Air Force Ones, my white Air Force Ones, and then we're going to the party. And yeah, my friend was supposed to be here 30 minutes ago, but as always he's late, so I'm just chilling, you know, wasting time, so that's good. Hi everyone. So we're at his house and we're getting ready for the party. We're helping set up. We have all these balloons. You can see his big, all that. There's like, you can't really see it right now, but there's like a silks person over there. So that's kind of it, how it is. This is the party. So we're at the farmer's market right now. We're shopping, I guess. We're at the port. Ooh, cute.
Vlogging?
I am vlogging.
Hi, Olivia's vlog.
Can I get it? Hi guys, my name is Taya and
That's all she has to say.
So back to what I was saying.